Congo cabinet, tools cabinet, Congo ham, toolbox, bagone, basket, box, box, hand palette, hand palette, handka, hand cart, ticha, table cart, palita, pallet, sadare, ladder, note, nut, bolte, bolt, nasamot, tornilyo na matalim, puneo kelleposa, Vernier calipers, Wisingbok, sanitation soot, nepo, nippers, longnuchu polayo, long nose pliers, chunki turel, electric drill, supino, spanner, chakupdang, work light, wero shihomge, circuit tester, Nojun Chadange, circuit breaker, Ultitep, power strip, Johnson rail, cable rail, switch, switch, Juan Ponge, exhaust fan, tape, duct tape, vinyl con, vinyl rope, pangchongyo, lubricant oil or anti-rust, buan miyong chagyong, security mask, sukit wrenchi, socket wrench, kuap chunge, warning for high voltage electricity, mulchi idong komchi, pagbabawal sa paggalaw ng mga object, won yung top, circular saw, pipe wrenchi, pipe wrench, hoist, hoist, control panel, bindinge, binder, chulsa, wire or alambre, drum, chikicha, forklift, eyo compression, air compressor, suwage, fire extinguisher, kakban, liggins bots, buangyong, safety goggles, anjon chuge, safety jacket, mokchanggap, working gloves, yung chopmyon, welding mask, anjon kune, safety swing, pangchima seke, dust free mask, anjun mo, safety helmet, anjun changwa, safety boots, anjunwa, safety shoes, vice, gasu yung chopge, gas welding machine, yukgak wrenchi, hexagon wrench or Allen wrench, huwagi omkom, caution flammables, anjun mo chagyong, magsuot ng helmet, chungi yung chopge, electric welding machine, chungi chuldange, electric cutter, chungi drill, electric drill, tup, saw or lagare, bitcharo, broom or walis, suribatke, dustpan, sunchundong, flashlight, kal, utility knife, madi, bag or charo, sack, kulsakke, excavator or bako, tarok, truck, kichongge, crane, nungyak bunmoge, sprayer, kuncho, dry grass, chikicha, forklift, Vinyl house, vinyl greenhouse. Kumutong, rubber bucket. Uycha, chair. Box, box. Pangchin mask, dust mask. Muk changgap, working gloves. Kumu changgap, rubber gloves. Ilyuncha, a wheelbarrow. Rullo, pison. Sun chundong, flashlight. Changwa, boats. Milchip moja, straw hat. Compacto, compactor. Chung liang yong samkakde. Chung liang yong samkakde, tripod. Konkrito mixo, concrete mixer. Chakal, cobblestone. Pike, scaffold. Tile, tile. Bulldozo, bulldozer. Kuap si chokge, high pressure cleaning machine. Yung chopbong, welding rod. Chulcha, tape line or tape measure. Chunchung kawe, pruning shears or cutting scissor. Tup, saw or lagare. Kawe, scissors or gunting. Nipo, nipper. Mangchi, hammer or martilyo. Duraibo, screwdriver. Muchung sap, trowel. Kalkwe, rake. Swiss rang, pitchfork. Kal, knife or kutsilyo. Huso, hose. Ilyuncha, a wheelbarrow. Sunsure, handcart. Chuul, scale or kiluhan. Pucha or bupyo, buoy. Baguni, basket. Kumutong, rubber bucket. Tat, anchor or angkla. Polystyrene box, polystyrene box or styrofoam. Nakshi panel, fish hook. Tulche, scoop net. Shui sassel, chain or kadena. Turule, pulley. Sap, pala. Kure, length. Yang mangge, net holder. Chibudong, fish lamp. Sap, shovel or pala. Kukwinge, pickaxe or gabion. Kuinge, pala na gabion. Humi, hand hoe. Nut, sickle or garab.